told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
Daddy, watch me karma. Daddy!
From the back, 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 from the back.
Yo, I think that's the best one.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, to my TED Talk.
Name a film in which a fat character appears, and their fatness isn't used either for comic relief or as film shorthand for something immoral, bad, or wrong. I'll go first. The two most recent Spider-Man films have the character Ned, whose fatness is, as far as I can tell, never even remarked upon. He is allowed to exist as a fully fleshed out human character in these films, not defined by his size. And unfortunately, that's the only film I can think of. So please, if you know of another film out there that has a fat character that is allowed to just exist, name it.
Astrid and Lily save the world. Teenagers Astrid and Lily are outcasts at school, both for their size and their tendency to be a little weird. After getting made fun of at a party, the two girls try to shake it off and have fun, but they accidentally perform a ritual that opens a portal to a dimension full of monsters who wreak havoc in their town. Astrid and Lily are then tasked to defeat the monsters they released in order to close the portal back up, a mission that will inevitably throw off their plan to blend in more at school. Astrid and Lily Save the World is Buffy the Vampire Slayer meets Booksmart, a silly, loving look at friendship, camaraderie, and the follies of being a teenager as they try to save their small-minded town. It's also a rare, joyful depiction of fat women being shown not as the butt of a joke, but as
Like a G-string, she's 200 pounds.
This may be an unpopular opinion, but I really hate curvy wife dudes. Like, their whole motto is, whoa, I bang a fat girl forever. Stop using your fat wife for clout. And also, in the song, you really didn't have to go giant text, she's 200 pounds. Yeah, we can see she's fat. It's fine.
It used to be for us, for people in marginalized bodies. But now it's been taken by diet culture, and it's just a bunch of skinny girls sitting all weird and being like, oh my god, look, when I sit, my organs come out of my body, isn't it gross? I'm done with body positivity. So I posted this video, and of course, I got a slew of just thin, privileged women telling me that I'm wrong. Which, of course, as a fat person, you know that is our entire experience. We're never trusted to know our own feelings or what we're thinking. You're not actually hungry. You're not actually thirsty.
We can all agree on this, yes? So how can we not agree on this?
Oh well, it was nice while it lasted, right?
The whole thing was horrible. All of it.
I'm sorry, but where the fuck are all her comments containing unsolicited health advice from strangers? Where are the comments worried about her health, saying she's gonna die by the time she's 40? Where are the people counting her calories although she didn't ask for them? Where are the people saying that it's disgusting to put that much food in your body? Where are the people assuming she eats like this every day based off of a 60-second fucking TikTok? Nowhere. Go right now, click on her video, go in the comment section, and see if she even has a quarter of the hate comments I get in all of my What I Eat in a Day videos. Now, does she deserve hate comments? Absolutely not. Nor should you go in her comment section and start berating her about what she chooses to eat. Everybody has the right to do whatever the fuck they want with their bodies, but this is a perfect example about how fat people get harassed and mistreated for the same exact fucking things that thin people do. Sending all the love to this girl, but we need to do better about treating all bodies equally.
My pants don't fit, and that does not make me a bad person. That makes the pants not fit. It has nothing to do with my moral character. I'm going to take off the pants, return the pants, and get my money back. Done.
Fact.
Remember when people would be like, this bitch got a butt in the front? I'm here to ask, and what about it? And I'd also like to state that my front and back butt could be placed on your father's forehead at any time, bitch. Talk to me nice.
Past the fourth turn by the barn where Mrs. Fallman lived till she passed on. There is a cottage by the the lakeside where fairies come out at night. There's a music box in the bedroom. It's playing songs from 1922. And if you listen for long enough, you'll fall asleep and might wake up.
And at that age, I didn't understand why it was mysterious to me. Sorry. I feel better.
Hi, I'm Caris, and here's what I ate in a day as a happy fat person who's not trying to lose weight. For breakfast I had some croissants, and then for lunch I made this sandwich with homemade focaccia bread, sweet potato, vegan barbecue chicken and hummus, and I had a iced coffee, had some of my snack mix. For dinner I made a tofu Thai green curry with rice. It was really good. And I'm going to have some of this tiramisu. Love you, bye! Happy Monday. I am not feeling great and I thought I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to make a lovely fresh coffee. I'm not going to use the instant stuff today. I'm going to do a lovely fresh coffee. So I got my mocha pot out, got some lovely fresh decaf coffee. Did it on the hob and everything. Lovely. Made a nice brown sugar shaken iced coffee. Tipped it over before I even drank any. Poured it all over the kitchen. Cried. So, how's your Monday going?
Sweet girl with a bushy up fitness. Skin smooth hair, long ass tits. Friends lost to the more, yeah, quick fish. That was a big trick.